Okay, we're outside the house, and this is the Holy Land Lark M2, and currently it's on noise reduction or noise cancellation mode. So we'll try the distance for this one, and I'm gonna walk back there until we don't have any more signal. So let's check it out. So testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Do you still hear me? There's a dog. So we're not faking the sound. I'm not gonna turn that off. So I'm around 100 feet already. 100 feet. So I'm trying to walk further, because according to this, as long as you're in line of sight, you can still, the camera can still record your audio. So I guess I'm already around 200 feet, and there's also a motorcycle crossing. So I'm waving my hand. Do you still hear me? So I'm like 5 houses away, 3 houses, 400 square meter each. So mic test, 1, 2, 3, mic test. There's some wind. So it's around after lunch today, around 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. So there, I don't know if it can still catch my voice, my audio, and if the audio is weak, it should go stronger. The frequency should go stronger as I approach the mobile phone that I use for this recording. And I'm going to run. You can see I'm now approaching the camera. Well, the phone actually, and I'm nearing the phone. It's just about now I'm 10 feet and counting, and now I'm just a foot away. So what do you think?